A company called costplusdrugs.com, and if you take any medication at all, just go there, put in the name of it, and what we do that's different. Every other drug manufacturer, I mean, no one trusts the drug industry at all, right? And so what we said was, you know, sunlight is the best disinfectant. So if you go and you put in the drug, and if we carry it, it'll show you not only what we sell it for, it'll show you our cost. And
like actual cost?
Our actual cost, what we really pay for it. We mark it up 15%, that's it. We have a $3 pharmacy fee and $5 for shipping. That's it. And so you know exactly what we paid. And so you can trust it. And that's the first time in the pharmacy industry where when you're buying a medication, you can trust that you're paying a fair price.
So you're making money?
Not yet. Not yet, but we will.
You think the business will make money?
Yeah, we'll make money.
So then help me understand this then. Somebody who isn't a billionaire, how is it that you've decided to get into a business where you won't make money now, you will make money in the future, and you're still able to provide people with the drugs, and it seems like it's a win-win for everyone? Then why don't other drug companies just do this? Why?
Because what's happened is, when someone like me has started, or anybody has started a company like this, and they're cut the cost of medications, what happens is someone buys them, right? One of the big companies buys them out and puts them away.
Buys the company.
Buys that company, so that takes them off the market. I can't be bought, right? I don't need, you can't, my next dollar is not going to change my life, but if I get a chance to up the pharmaceutical industry,